So this video is going to be a pick a card, so pause the video and pick your card right now. The black one is 1, and then the middle one is 2, and the blue one is 3. If you want to take part of the pick a card, make sure that you watch this whole video, because the card reveals will be placed randomly in this video, so make sure that you keep watching. So basically I'm just showing y'all how I make my cards. So these ones I made from index cards. I just wrote what I wanted on the cards, and then I glued them down to some wrapping paper of my choice. And then you want to cut them out. You can edge cut them if you want to. I like the round cut corners nowadays, so I put the round corners on them and then go ahead and laminate them. The other deck I had to print, I used canvas.com or Canvas Pro or something like that, but that's what I used. Right there I'm just showing you I used the large setting for the corner cutter. But I tried to use canvas so that I can get my cards exactly a tarot size. I'm going to show you how I align the front and the backs, because I had to print all of the backs and then print the fronts. Hole punch them so that when I glued them I can know that they was aligned perfectly, and I used the natural lighting to make sure that they was aligned. Now I have to glue them all together. I hope that you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and always remember I love my tribe.